Hey, Lane. Hey, guys, it's Lane again with Diamond C.
He's like, mm-mm.
I look tiny. You look tiny.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. This was, it's staring at me, making me nervous. So think protection. The next option, think.
Protecting your load?
Yeah.
I take up a little.
I mean, I can't help it if my shoulders are outside the frame. Larkspur blue. Larkspur blue. Is that the make me care? Like, why?
More happy?
Happier.
Too happy. Back off. Less happy.
Who?
Is that Johnny Bravo?
Yeah.
All right.
Have to wait for Brad.
What's up, DC Nation?
A little bit more to your left. There, your other left.
Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? I saw you bobble it, and I was like, if he says it, I'm gonna throw rocks at him.
What is your favorite Christmas movie?
Oh, wow.
Oh!
Sorry.
All right.
Cut.
Cut.
What's your favorite thing about NACT?
Brian, I'm sorry.
What's up, guys? So you're looking for your next equipment trailer, and you've already come to the conclusion you need a deck over equipment trailer.
Told 2 or 3 of them, if you're an introvert like me, you might have turned around and walked out.
Well, sometimes you just got to
didn't know
power
everybody
through.
was gonna be in the hall.
Yeah,
I told him, I said, we're just gonna walk down and we'll just be at the end talking for a minute. He's just a big kid.
That's all right.
Yeah. No, you may have seen it. You might not have seen it. As you may have seen. All right.
All right, Jacoby. Yeah. Mic check. Mic check.
Oh.
What is it? My check.
Little drummer boy?
Okay.
Is it?
Is that a movie? I don't know.
You got a haul with a ram.
That'd be good for the blooper reel. That sounded terrible.